This is the Stream app. You can access it by downloading it on any Android device or iOS device by searching Stream TMS in the Google Play Store or Apple App Store. You can give each driver their own unique login as well, so you can see which drivers are performing which check on vehicles. I'm just going to log in with a default profile I've got set up when I set up my account. I log in and it will take me to this screen where I can see a vehicle and checks option and also the option to change my password. And if you're using Stream Go, you may see some more options too. I'm just going to go on vehicle and checks. Here I can see all the vehicles I've got set up within that system. There's that transit van I made earlier and the default vehicle we give you as well. So I'm just going to go for that transit van I made. You get the list of default checks as well. Pre-use handover and end of day are the checks we give you by default. You can also do things like just report a single defect on any vehicle at any time of the day, or view or update any defects that exist currently on the vehicle. This is a brand new vehicle, there's nothing there currently, so I'm just going to go on the pre-use check. It will ask me to confirm the mileage for the vehicle. This will update the first time I enter it, 12,000 miles, and confirm. And this will take me to the list of checks for that particular vehicle. This is a list of everything that I've set up within the vehicle types management page, all the different types of checks and any different types of defects that I've selected for each one as well. Now I can just go through each of these checks and either press the tick to mark a check as completed OK, or the cross to say that there's a defect. After I confirm there's no defects on a particular vehicle, I still have the option to go back and add a defect if I wish, or I can just add some text or photos if I want to take that for my own records even though there isn't a defect. I might want to just take a picture for proof, for example. For the tyres and wheels, I'm going to mark a defect for this particular vehicle. This will take me through to the defect page. Here I can select what's exactly wrong with the tyres in this case. I've got a list again. These are all the default ones we give you, but you can alter exactly what's shown in this list here if you want different defects for the driver to be able to record. I'm going to pick maybe a flat tyre in this case. It will ask me to capture a photo, so I can take a picture of any flat tyres I have. And any notes as well. I'm going to say no in tyre in this case. And confirm this defect. It's put a red cross and red text in this list showing that that's now been marked as a defect, making this vehicle unusable. And now I can carry on with the rest of this list, ticking off whether the checks have been completed successfully or not. We do also record how long it's taking the drivers to record these checks as well. So you can see, for example, if the drivers are going too fast, maybe not paying as much attention as they should be. You can also set it up so that if a driver completes a check under the minimum expected check time, for this vehicle it's 5 minutes, for example, I'll get notified within Stream and also get email notifications as well. So I can put who the defect's been reported to. I might just put a manager in this case, and it's signed by myself. And then I can just submit that check. So there you go. You can see that it said the vehicle is no longer usable. That check's been submitted, and all that data will have now come into Stream. I'm going to move back to Stream now.